Hello friends, welcome back. In this video series I am going to tell you about what operating system you need to install on your VirtualBox to make basically how to create your own lab for penetration testing. So in my base system, my laptop, I have installed Kali Linux. Maybe you have installed Windows 7 or 8 or any other operating system. So I have my VirtualBox installed in it. So you can also install VirtualBox in your operating system, and I have installed basically four operating system in it. First is XP Service Pack 1, and another is Ubuntu 14, and the third is Metasploitable. So XP Service Pack 1 you can get from any torrent site, and Ubuntu I will show you from where you can download these operating system and the VirtualBox. So let's go and open the Google. First, from where you can download VirtualBox. VirtualBox for VirtualBox basically. So this is the official site of VirtualBox. So open it, virtualbox.org. This website will show you both the versions for Windows, for Linux, and even for Mac. From there you can download 5.0 version. So you can see for Linux, for Windows, host, all versions are available here. Okay, so from where you can download the Metasploitable. The most common website is SourceForge. Let's open sourceforge.net and then type here Metasploitable. So hope we can see. So you can see we have got Metasploitable here. From there you can download it. As I have already downloaded it, so I do not need to download it already. So open it. After opening it, you will get something like this. Let me show you. Operating system, you will get something like this. Not this, the zip file. You will get some zip file like this. So I have extracted the zip file, the lab setup. So these are the file inside. The main is this. So I will show you how can you install it on your virtual machine. Let's name it Meta. Okay, do Linux and leave it 32-bit. Now select the size of RAM you want to give. So I want to give 512 MB. It's more than enough size. Okay, I have done one wrong. Let's go cut this, and we do not need to create a hard disk. We need to use an existing hard disk. So I have in my Metasploitable to Linux folder. Now select this Metasploitable vmdk file. So create and start it. Metasploitable 2. It's version 2. Now run. It will run automatically, and it is basically used for penetration testing because it has many it has many exploits, vulnerability in it. So to show you how can you exploit a system, I have used this. And XP also has many vulnerability and many active exploits. In this whole video series, we are basically going to use these tools only: XP Service Pack 1 and Metasploitable 2. So let's wait for this Metasploitable to run, and then let's wait for another couple of minutes. I think in some minutes it's going to complete. So so at last it is completed its files, settings, all the stuffs. So by default its login password is msf-admin. Type this. So you can see. So from there you can configure your network. Like host only adapter. I have created this host only adapter 0. You can also create it. Go to your machine and then settings. Go to network. No, okay. These are nodes. Some other settings. Let me find these settings. Okay, there we find file preferences. From preferences go to network tab, and then there we find host only networks. Create this first icon, then you can create this here. So click on this third image option. From there you can find this is the default IP address of the network. These are the default mask. So I have created my VirtualBox network 1. If you want to create some network, you can also do the same procedure again. Then click OK, and Metasploitable is running. Right click here and then do the same. If you have two networks, you can select any of the one which you want according to your need. You can do the same thing with the XP. Now you need to restart your Metasploitable and it is ready with the IP address, correct IP configuration. So let's close it because I don't need it now. I already installed. So let's me remove it. Okay. So that's all for this video. In next video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your virtual machine.